What's up, guys? Welcome to True Boys RC. Today we got that Arrma Mojave 6X BLX 60 miles per hour. The new Firma setup in here. We finna rock out, guys. It's getting dark, so well, it will be getting dark soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing for you guys. Yes, sir. Pull this thing off. Uh-oh. Got the red and black. Pull that wrap off. I ain't gonna hold y'all for too long because it's gonna get dark on me and I ain't got time for it. But in the box it comes with your standard tool set, the instruction manual. There you go, tool set, instruction manual, and transmitter. See what kind of transmitter we got, guys. Yes, sir. We got that SLT3. Let's get it, baby. See if this thing pulls out. I guess we're gonna have to go get our knife right quick, guys. Let's go do that. Be right back. All right, guys, let's make sure these wheel nuts are tight. That way we won't have no problem, because I mean, this car got some get down, guys. This car has plenty of get up. All right, let's open this thing up. Check out that new Firma setup. Also, these things have those Velcro straps inside there, which I forgot. Nice, nice, nice. All right, guys, we got the new Firma set up. Let's see what we're running. The new, is this the new 2050 kV or what? Yep, this is the new 2050 kV Spectrum Firma motor, and your 150 amp, if I'm not mistaken, Firma ESC, and your servo, it's a S652 Spectrum. We're running the new IC5 plugs. This remote out. Arrma Mojave, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like I might change out the pinion. I wonder if they put the other pinion inside your tool bag. I don't know if these ones come with the extra pinion like they used to. They probably do. I'll check that in a few minutes. Yes, sir. That's him. That's him. Boy, they out for to get them boys trouble at the track tomorrow. Yes, sir. For to get a boy trouble at the track tomorrow. All right. Boy, look how it just comes off that concrete. I have to show you guys this. It comes off the concrete like it's meant to go through anything. Look at that. I gotta show you guys that in slow motion also. You set? You set? Go! Uh-oh! Tighten up, son! And this thing is so smooth, guys. That's how I'm gonna get riding them at the track.
No. Nope. I'm just gonna watch
Wow, first ball, first ball. Get you some. Alright guys, that's enough for the Mojave. I ain't gonna tap the tires before we gotta go to the track.
Peace.
Peace out guys.